here's a really easy way. If you want to go to amazon.com.au and you want to type in Amazon Wholesale, like that, that book right there, written by a bloke that looks awesome in spandex, I am told, which is 99 cents, for God's sake, is really, really great at showing you how to find wholesale suppliers. It's a Kindle book, which means you can read it on your phone, on your iPad, on your computer, on anything like that. All you need to do is get the Kindle app. So download the app first and then use the app to buy the book, and it's dead easy. All right, super easy to do. 99 cents. I really need to put the price of that up because that is ludicrously cheap. So that's the book version of how to do that. I also have the more expensive video version of how to do it, but if it's just suppliers you're looking for, there's a supplier section in that book. So that's a very easy way to do that. So now if you don't want to spend 99 cents, and who can blame you, then easiest thing to do is go to google.com.au, type in what you're looking for. So let's say you're looking for kitchen wholesalers Australia, and you'll find heaps. Kitchen warehouse, kitchen importer exporter, wholesale kitchens, blah 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 blah. You just go to Google and go and research it that way, and or go to kitchen trade show Australia, and that'll get you there too. You go to a trade fair website and you can find all the people who are exhibiting at the website, at the trade show, sorry, and contact them directly. You can do it that way too, Sue. Hope that helps. But I'm going to say, really, for 99 cents, you'd be nuts not to get that, because it's just ludicrous. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.